Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and controversial topic, the revival of the coal industry by the previous U.S. administration under President Donald Trump. In a surprising turn of events, the administration decided to support coal by using old defense laws to stimulate the local economy through the creation and renovation of coal power plants. Despite coal facing a long-term decline in the global market, hundreds of millions of dollars were allocated to rejuvenate aging plants and build new ones. The coal industry is struggling against a backdrop of significant changes in the global energy market. In recent years, there has been a noticeable shift toward renewable energy sources like wind and solar power, as well as a move to natural gas, which is both cleaner and more cost-effective. Nevertheless, the U.S. administration aimed to breathe new life into the coal sector by injecting massive investments and providing direct government support. This decision, however, sparked fierce criticism from environmental experts and conservation organizations. They see it as an attempt to salvage an industry that's naturally phasing out due to unprecedented competition from clean energy sources. One of the primary arguments for supporting coal is job creation, especially in regions economically reliant on the industry. The administration claimed this move could create around 14,000 new jobs, boosting the local economies in these areas. Yet, questions linger about the sustainability of these jobs amidst the global shift toward clean energy. Many analysts doubt coal's ability to remain competitive in the near future, given the rapid advancements in renewable energy technology. Coal is notorious for being a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, particularly carbon dioxide, making it a significant factor in climate change. While the decline in coal use has helped improve some global warming indicators, the renewed support for coal threatens to reverse these gains. Alarmingly, the decision by the previous administration was accompanied by the rollback of certain environmental regulations aimed at reducing emissions and improving air quality, causing dismay among many environmental advocates. As efforts to revive the coal industry remain a contentious issue, the bigger question is how these decisions will impact the global shift toward clean energy and environmental protection requirements. The future seems to belong to renewable energy, yet these policies might delay the transition to a cleaner, more sustainable future. The real challenge lies in balancing economic development with environmental stewardship for future generations. If you found this topic intriguing and want to explore more scientific discussions, don't forget to subscribe to Science Hub for more insightful content.